Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond.
Yeah. Whoa. What you call an icon living? Start a record label, Miss Fish just did it.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is dionne.charmae if you are new here, and if you are new here, welcome. Go ahead and subscribe if you are new. You know we love new subscribers over here. So today's video is going to be a review slash demo of Rihanna's new highlight. I got mine in the mail yesterday and it came in a huge box. First of all, I don't know why this box is so big, but it just came in this really cute box. It says Fenty, and it came with of course the highlight, and then it also came with a little card, and it says it's the hyper limited kilowatt freestyle highlighter CLF edition. And it says, giving back never looks so good. 100% of your purchase of Kilowatt CLF Edition goes to the Clara Lionel Foundation, the nonprofit organization founded by Rihanna to support and fund children's education, health, and emergency response programs around the world. So that's really cool. I didn't know what the CLF Foundation was. I really just wanted to highlight. But I'm glad that it's going to a good cause. But this is going to be the main focus of this video. I'm really going to try and do something with this highlight besides an actual highlight look. I know Alyssa Ashley did like an eyeshadow look with it, so I'm going to attempt to do something like that. Of course, I'm not going to copy exactly what she did, but I am going to try and incorporate it into my eyeshadow as well, just to see the versatility of it, because some highlights I do use as eyeshadow depending on where I'm going or anything like that. So I'm definitely going to see how versatile it is. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to go ahead and moisturize my face and do primer, and then I'm going to go ahead and start with my eyes, which I normally don't do, but for the sake of this video I'm going to go ahead and start with the eyes, because I am going to be using this and I don't know how the fallout is and all of that. So we're going to go ahead and do that. So to moisturize my face, I do the same thing as I always do. I use a rose water, and then I'm going to be using the Lancome Energy Day V Smoothing and Glow Boosting Liquid Care, and then I'm also going to be using my M61 Hydra Face Oil. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So now that my face is all moisturized, I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes. So I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes with the Maybelline Fit Me New York Concealer in the color 25, which is medium. Actually, I need my mirror. Hold on. So, yeah, like I was saying, I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes now, which I normally don't ever do because I normally don't ever really do eyeshadow. So I'm going to prime this eye. And I'm just going to use my Mikasa E240 brush to blend that out. Okay, so y'all know that makeup's not like the thing I'm amazing at. So I don't know how this look is going to turn out, but I am going to try it because I am like trying to get better at my makeup. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up now. Oop, almost dropped it. It comes in this like chrome thing. Like you can see my phone in this. Like this is really cute. But it just comes in like this really cute grayish chrome. But let's go ahead and open it up. If I can get it open. Maybe not. There we go. There we go. Woo! Ooh, this is so pretty. So this is what the color looks like. It looks so good. So I'm going to go ahead and do a swatch on my arm just to see what it looks like. Because I'm not going to lie, I'm really nervous. I'm not sure if it's going to look right on me. So I'm really nervous because I've never worn like a silver highlight or a silver anything. So we're gonna see. And this pimple right here is really like popping out right now. It's really like trying to make an appearance, and I have an issue with that. So anyway, let's go ahead and swatch this on my arm. It is really pigmented. Look at that, y'all. Woo! Okay. Let's see. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch it on my arm right here. Wow. Wow, that looks really good. It looks so good. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into this look that I'm about to do. I really don't know what look that is. I'm really just winging it. So yeah, we're gonna see where this goes. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this MAC Studio Better Than Bare palette that I got. I got this from like TJ Maxx or something. It was like 10 bucks. I don't even think it was that much. And I'm gonna go ahead and take that, and I'm gonna take this black. I'm gonna go take this black that's in here. And I'm not going to take a lot. And I'm taking my Mikasa E200 brush. I have a discount code. It's in the description box that you can use if you want to try these brushes. But I'm just going to put a little in my in the outer corner or whatever this is called. Y'all know I don't do makeup, so don't ask me. And it always makes me look like I have a black eye. Like I already got it down here and I look like I have a black eye. But I'll fix it. Okay, so I think that's good. Look, I have a black eye, like I said, but I think that's okay for right now. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and move to the other eye. I'll fix this little bottom part. I'm not gonna worry about it right now. So I'm just gonna move on to the other eye. Now I'm just trying to blend it out. As of right now, this looks really crazy, but you know, we're not gonna worry about that just yet. Okay, so I'm gonna clean this extra black up really quickly. Okay, so now that I have that black in there, which I really don't know how I feel about it right at this moment, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the CFG Fenty Beauty. Oh, it's called Diamond Ball Out. So now I'm going to go in with Diamond Ball Out. And we're going to see. I need a brush. So I'm going to go in with my E240 brush from Mikasa Beauty. And we'll see. Oh, wow. Wow. I'm just going to pack that in there, which honestly, it goes on so nicely. It goes on so nice. Wow. You can't really see it because it's underneath like my eye, but it goes on so nicely. So nice. So now I'm gonna do the second eye, and there's like no fallout like at all. Like I have like a couple of sparkles, but there's like no fallout. And a little goes a long way, y'all. Like you do not need to use a lot of this. A little goes such a long way. Okay, so now that I have that done, I'm going to go ahead and go back in with the black. I'm going to go back in with the black and darken that up just a little bit because it's looking a little gray right now. Now I'm just going to try and blend out this black, which for me isn't the easiest thing in the world because I'm not good at this stuff. I don't like eyeshadow. I'm not good at. It's like my biggest weakness. I don't really think there's too much more I can do with the eyes. It looks a little crazy to me because This silver is just a lot, and I feel like it don't look good on me as an eyeshadow, but it might still look good as a highlight. I don't know yet. To me right now, it doesn't look right. It doesn't look good. But like I said, I don't do eyeshadow. I'm not that good at eyeshadow. So we're going to see. So I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my face, and then I'm going to come back and do highlight and then try and fix the eyes a little bit more. So we're going to see how it looks once everything is pulled together. So I'm just going to go ahead and fast forward through this part while I do the rest of my makeup. So now I'm just cleaning up the eyes a little bit and trying to get that to look good, because this is, like I said, I don't do eye makeup. I'm not the greatest at eye makeup, so I want it to look good. So now I'm just going to go back in and blend this out just a little bit more. Okay, so now this side just doesn't, this side looks better than this side, but this side just doesn't look blended, and I think that's why. Now that that's done, I think that's as good as I'm going to get the eyes, because like I said, I don't do eye makeup that much. So now I'm just going to go ahead and put on some mascara. I'm not putting on lashes because I don't know how. The sun is coming out and it's messing up my lighting a little bit, so I apologize that the lighting is changing. So now what I'm going to do is, I haven't put on any highlight or anything like that yet. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to, I don't know how this is going to look, but I'm going to put the diamond ball out underneath instead of doing like a smoky, because actually I might do both. I don't know how to do that though. I have no idea how to do that, so I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna try and put both of them on there. We're gonna see how it looks. Actually, no, we're not. It's not working. It's not going to work. Okay, so now I'm just gonna add the diamond ball out underneath my eye. Well, now I know I should have did this before I put on mascara. Now that that's done, I'm just going to actually put on the highlight now. Because I do have on so much, I'm not going to go like all out with this because I have on a lot already. So I'm just going to put on a little bit. I tried to put on a little bit, that ended up being a lot. Okay, so now I'm just trying to settle up this highlight because I did not need, y'all, I didn't put a lot on my brush and it is bright. It's real bright. So I'm trying to make it a little more subtle, and it's probably, it also probably feels like it's super bright anyway because I have it on my lids. So I'm just trying to, you know, get this together because I feel like right now it looks like a lot. And it's a lot to me because I never do this much on my eyes. Okay, so for lips, I'm just gonna go ahead and stick with Fenty, and because I don't really want to do like a whole lip for this, I'm just gonna use the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. Okay, so that is it for this look. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and set my face. Okay, so this is the finished look. I don't know if you can, the lighting isn't that great right here because of this whole sun thing going on. So this is the finished look. For me, it's a bit much. This is a lot for me. I don't ever do this much nor this color. So yeah, it is a bit much, but overall, I love the highlight. I do. It's not going to be something that I wear every day because it is a lot. This is like a special occasion, like pop out type of highlight, I think. I feel like this definitely will look good on all skin tones, especially a chocolate girl. This will look really pretty on a chocolate girl, but you have to be very mindful of how much you put on because I literally barely dipped my brush into this highlight and I look like glitter through. It looks like glitter just threw up on my face. So yeah, it goes a long way. It's very pigmented. It doesn't have a lot of fallout. So overall, I think it's a great highlight. And it was only $34, and then the shipping was $5.95. So, and then after tax, it was like $42. So, I mean, I think it's worth it for what you're getting, because this is going to last a while. It's going to last a while. The packaging is super cute. I love like the little chrome or whatever you want to call it. So yeah, I think it's worth it. If it's not sold out yet, I definitely recommend like you to get it. Just remember, a little goes a long way. But yeah, this is my finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one.